good afternoon. You might notice that I like cabbage diets because cabbage is healthy. So what is in here is the onion, the green pepper, the olive oil, the Himalayan salt, my choice of spices. I'm not particular with spices, but my choice of spices, and then I stir and allow it to be prepared well. Then what I will be adding right now in the few minutes is the tuna. So I'm adding tuna in the diet. So this is tuna. So I'm adding tuna, then I am putting it together, and then after tuna I'm going to add eggs and then cheese. Okay, that's mostly healthy but nice. So in exchange of other things we eat for diet, and in exchange of avoiding some of the things that are not healthy for us, so I'll finish it quickly now. Use mozzarella cheese. So I've used any cheese, just the normal cheese. You can also use your mozzarella cheese, but I've used any cheese. Let's see what happens next. That is something that looks like this, which I'm going to find a way to turn it because it should look like a pie, but we'll see how it turns out in the end. The end product, and then I'm going to turn it into a plate and serve it. Cheers, enjoy. This is the final product. It tastes good. I was thinking of having it with a bending bread, but it seems fine on its own. I'm not too hungry, but I'm fine. Thank you.